Well, looks like Pil's taking it easy today. Sitting. And that looks like, that's, that looks like Big Pil. I see a little red there. I do. It's the male. Haven't seen him for a few days. He's just sitting there. I like that. Nobody's going to mess with him. Mm-mm. Oh, that's good, Pil. It's good to see you. That's good to see you, Pil. One more close-up and we'll let you go. We like that red. We like that lipstick there, Pil. All right, buddy. Oh, who's your friends down there? Oh, we got the doves. We got a bunch of doves as usual. All right, Pil. You take care, buddy.